How to stay safe while using Bolt rides or deliveries. Want to make every Bolt ride or delivery safer? Here are the top most know in-app tips. Before starting a ride, always verify the driver's name, photo and license plates on in the app. Never enter a card if the details don't match. While riding, share your trip with a trusted friend using the share trip option. They can track your route live. If anything feels off, tap the safety button in the app to report an issue or contact emergency services right away. For deliveries, always confirm the drop-off portion and avoid sharing private info. Sit in the back seat when riding alone. It keeps you safer and gives you better control of the situation. What's your top personal safety tip while using ride apps? Drop it in the comments below. And that's how you can stay safe while using Bolt rides or deliveries. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.